In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an envelope in Command Docusign. If you've ever found yourself needing to duplicate an existing envelope for efficiency or to ensure consistency, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and guide you through each step, ensuring clarity along the way. First, begin by heading over to the Docusign website. It's a powerful tool for electronic signatures and agreement management, so having it bookmarked or easily accessible is always a good idea if you frequently use it. Once you're there, locate the login button. Typically this will be in the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you're like me and have to navigate through a myriad of passwords, password managers can be incredibly helpful for securely storing and recalling those details. Now that you're logged into Docusign, you'll want to head to the Docusign homepage. This is your primary hub for managing documents and accessing various tools that Docusign offers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Agreements tab. This is where all your existing envelopes and agreements are stored. Clicking it will bring up a list of all the envelopes you've worked on. Have you found the envelope you want to copy? Good. Now look to the right of each envelope listing for a small 3-dot icon. This icon is your gateway to additional options for that envelope. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu. Among those options you'll find Copy. Selecting Copy is the next move. At this stage, Docusign starts preparing a duplicate of your selected envelope. This process can save you a lot of time, especially when dealing with complex agreements that require consistent formatting and information. Once the copy is made, you can rename it, edit the contents, or make any adjustments necessary before sending it out. This is perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks and maintaining uniformity across similar documents you handle. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to copy an envelope in Docusign Command. It's a straightforward process, yet it can significantly boost your productivity. Remember to occasionally check for updated features or any interface changes in Docusign, since digital tools continually evolve to enhance user experience. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more resources on Docusign's website. Stay efficient and organized with Docusign, and keep leveraging technology to simplify your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy document managing.